The marathon is here, and we're about to find out who will win this event. You can see we have a little bit of an ice dash course, a funnel course, and the elimination course to end off one wicked event. There will see many marbles, jump spots. Wojo Rollers still on top from Electric Eels and Cheese Balls. You see at the bottom 2 teams have been eliminated. So those 2 teams, they don't really have much going for them anymore. So, yeah. Here's our here's our example one that I decided to do. We'll be having this example one. You see, this one, it's very hard to stay on course, right? It's very hard to stay on this course. That's what most teams said about this course when they first started it. That it is super difficult getting down to the finish line without getting stuck. That's what Birdie Flares, Money Balls, Flame Showers and Zappers can do. 2 marbles get stuck, and that means well, Flame Showers and Zappers, they will take the easy way out. Our second heat is lined up. I hear Ketchups, Wojo Rollers, Honeybees, and Coral Reefs. Wojo Rollers. Oh, this is huge for them. Oh, all 3 of them. Right here. So any one of these marbles can win. Looks like Wojo Rollers will advance. Ketchups will not. Coral Reefs, I don't know what they've been doing. Right. Electric Eels, Fireworks, Cheese Balls, Snowballs. Oh, electric Eels are out. Not good for the championship. And it looks like Snowballs are out. So that means whoop! Cheese Balls and Fireworks are moving in. And now we got our final heat. Leapy Jungle, Sneakers, Sugar Crush and Zebras. The Leapy Jungle continue with their name. No! They stay on the course. Very interesting. There be the Zebras and Leapy Jungles moving on. Electric Eels will finish 14th, which is not good for the championship. Wojo Rollers, Flame Showers, Honeybees and Zappers. Here we go. No, not good either. Wojo Rollers have made a shrew. If they advance, Madness here is going to fight, but no! They will not advance. Here's the Wojo Rollers. So they were out with the Honeybees. So that's not good for the championship. Now, Cheese Balls, Zebras, Leaping Jungles, Fireworks. Everyone has made it in. So this is a 4-way fight. So anyone can advance here. Oh, look at this, Zebras and... Yeah. Leaping Jungles and Zebras. They will advance. And now we've got our final. Flame Showers, Zappers, Leaping Jungles and Zebras. Who get the gold? Okay, Zappers and Zebras. Who get it? Neck and neck. Neck and neck. And it will be the Zebras. Who will get the gold in front of the Zappers? And we have a fight for the bronze. Here they are. And Leaping Jungle's bronze. Yeah. There they are. There you go. Zebras, Zappers, and Leaping Jungles. The podium finishers of today. That was the marathon. Next time we come back will be the final event. But first, the marathon for the showdown. and the final event for the showdown as well. Let's see who will win Season 9 Championship.